So the main ingredients for today's recipe are paneer and potato. So before I could start with the recipe, I am going to boil the potatoes and soak the paneer in lukewarm water so that it will be moist and easy to be crumbled. Potatoes have boiled, so now mash the potatoes. The potatoes are mashed. Now I'm going to crumble the paneer. Paneer, mix it properly. In this I'm going to add chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, finely chopped onions, garam masala powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. Mix together. Now add gram flour. This will act as the binding agent. Now I'm going to mix it with my hand to roll it as a dough. Now I've finished with my mixing part, so I'm going to keep this aside. I have cut the capsicum in a ring shape, so I'm going to fill this dough in the capsicum rings. Now dip the Aloo Paneer Tikki in the batter and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Repeat the same process for other tikkis also. I've finished coating the Aloo Paneer Tikki. So now let's move on with the frying process. So I've taken oil in the pan. Let's start frying. Fry it on low flame. So start flipping. You can see the nice golden brown color. So flip it on the other side. So I've finished frying the Aloo Paneer Tikki. It's a simple starter recipe, so everyone can try it. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down below.